How to bend text in Canva. It's actually super simple. I am just going to open an A4 document and I'm going to create some sample text. So I'm just going to select text, add a heading, and I will not write any subliminal messages here. All right, so this is our random little text. How do we curve it? So all we have to do is go to effects right here on top of it next to animate, and the shape, under the shape section we have this option to curve it. So as you can see, by simply pressing on it, we have it in a curved manner. You can play around with the curving. It can either go full circle depending on the length of the text. You can go and do it in reverse, so make it face whichever way you like. You can play around with this option. And another cool thing which I use and usually do is I go to animate and I just do it like this, typewriter or ascend, and as you can see, if it's curved, it gives it a completely different feel. So that is how you do it. That is how you curve text. I hope you found this video useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.